What you drink can shape how your brain performs, more than you might think. The right drinks can sharpen focus, lift your mood, and even protect your brain in the long run. But some common choices do the exact opposite. Let's look at 5 drinks that support your brain, and 2 you may want to skip. 1. Green tea. Packed with L-theanine and a gentle dose of caffeine, green tea helps you feel calm and focused at the same time. It improves alertness without the jittery crash. A perfect choice for deep work or creative thinking. 2. Raw cacao. Cacao is rich in magnesium, antioxidants, and theobromine, a natural compound that gently stimulates without overstimulating. It also boosts dopamine and supports better mood and mental clarity. Go for unsweetened pure cacao or ceremonial cacao for the most benefit. 3. Matcha. Think of matcha as green tea's smarter cousin. It has more antioxidants and a slower caffeine release, keeping your mind clear for longer. Plus, it supports alpha brainwaves, linked to calm focus and mental clarity. 4. Beetroot juice. Beets are rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow to the brain. That means more oxygen, better memory, and sharper thinking. Great before a workout or a mentally demanding day. 5. Turmeric latte. Also known as golden milk, this anti-inflammatory drink combines turmeric, black pepper, and healthy fat, usually in the form of warm plant-based milk. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, may support memory and protect brain cells from aging. Now let's look at 2 drinks that might sabotage your focus. Avoid number 1 energy drinks. They often contain high doses of caffeine and sugar, which spike your energy fast, then drop it hard. This roller coaster hurts focus, disrupts sleep, and increases stress hormones. Avoid number 2, sugary juices and soft drinks. Fruit juices and sodas cause a rapid rise in blood sugar, followed by a crash. That crash affects your mood, focus, and energy. Over time, high sugar intake may also increase brain fog and inflammation. So next time you reach for a drink, remember, your brain is thirsty for clarity, not chaos. If you enjoy brain hacks and food and drink benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from Smart Brain and Kitchen. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.